Hello guys, welcome back to my DMS Academy. Guys, today our topic is stomach. So we will start and discuss about of the stomach and which type of the gland found in a stomach region. What is the role of the gland right now? So guys, stomach is what first point is what that is actually esophagus. What guys about esophagus open into what guys? Open into the stomach portion. Open into what guys? Stomach. Guys, which part of the stomach guys? That is known as a what? That is called the cardiac part of the stomach right now, because of there are a 4 part of the stomach guys we will discuss right now. So what we can say, also we can say about what guys? We can say about esophagus open into stomach, right? Okay, this stomach is what guys? It is a J-shaped structure. Stomach is what guys? It is a J-shaped structure is there, right? If we are saying the part of the stomach guys, part of stomach, so there are what guys? There are 4 parts of the stomach is there guys, 4 part of the stomach. The first one is known as a what guys? That is called the fundus or fundic part right now. Second one is known as a what guys? That is called the cardiac stomach, right? Cardiac stomach. Third one is known as a body main part stomach right now, body main part stomach. And the last one is known as a what? That is called the pylorus or pyloric stomach is there. There are 4 parts of the stomach. Now what is the role of the stomach guys? First condition, so stomach play important role for the churning of food. What guys? Churning of food. Now listen guys, this is what guys? This is what I said. It is a what? It is a J-shaped structure. First of all, it is what guys? It is a J-shaped structure. So this one is known as a what guys? This is called the esophagus right now. This is called the esophagus, and this is what guys? This is a structure of what guys? This is a structure of a stomach is there. For example, this is the structure of the stomach guys. In that cases guys, this one is known as a what? This is the esophagus portion right now. This is known as the esophagus portion. So this is a esophagus, and what I told you, this esophagus open into what guys? Open into the stomach portion. Which part of the stomach is? Cardiac stomach. So this one is known as a what guys? This is called the fundus part of stomach. This one is known as a what guys? This is called the cardiac part of the stomach right now. And this one is known as a what? This is called the body main part of stomach right now, body main part of stomach. And the last one is known as a what guys? This is called the pyloric stomach is there. This is known as a pyloric stomach is there right now. Okay, now guys, the esophagus open into what guys? This esophagus open into a cardiac part of stomach with the help of what guys? This is known as a what? This is called the cardiac sphincter. This is known as a what? This is called the cardiac sphincter. So guys, normally during the time of ingestion we are taking food, and that food mixed with saliva and form what guys? They form the bolus. What form guys? Formation of the bolus occur. So this is a bolus guys, and right now this bolus enter into what guys? Esophagus. Now finally esophagus too, by peristalsis movement, it will be enter into where guys? Enter into the stomach portion will be there guys, in that portion. So this is what guys? This is known as a bolus, but in stomach portion this bolus converted into what guys? Where number of the enzymatic reaction occur. So finally in case of what guys? In case of the stomach, what will happen guys? That is known as a what? That is called the churning occur. And the churning in the sense what guys? That is called the formation of chyme. What occur guys? Formation of chyme occur. And the chyme is what guys? That is called the partially digested matter. What you can say? This is known as a partial digested matter known as a what? This is called the chyme. So guys, it's also very important point is there right now. Maybe question they will ask, bolus formation occur where? Bolus formation occur in a mouth region right now after the mixing of saliva guys. Where chyme formation occur? So chyme formation occur in where guys? Occur in a stomach region. Now here 4 to 5 hours food will be there, where in a stomach region will be there, right? Now guys, listen, the last part of the stomach is what, guys? This is known as a what? This is called the pyloric stomach. Last part of the stomach is known as a what? This is called the pyloric stomach. Guys, this pyloric stomach here, this pyloric stomach is open into what, guys? Open into the small intestine part, and here what present, guys? This is known as a what? This is called the pyloric sphincter. What we can say? This is known as a pyloric sphincter is there. Now pyloric sphincter help, and this pyloric stomach open into what, guys? Open into the intestine part will be there. Right now guys, the important point is about what, guys? Important point about the glands. Now which type of the gland found in a where, guys? Found in a stomach region. So the gland is what, guys? This is called the gastric gland. So gastric gland found in where, guys? This gastric gland found in location is where, guys? Wall of stomach. Found in where, guys? That is known as a location is where? Wall of stomach. Gastric gland found in a wall of stomach will be there. Guys, on the basis of location, listen carefully what I am saying. On the basis of location, on the basis of location, gastric gland is what, guys? On the basis of location, gastric gland is what, guys? Gastric gland is a 3 types. Which type, guys? 3 type. The first one is known as a what, guys? The first one gastric gland is known as a, that is called cardiac gland. This is known as a what, guys? This is called the cardiac gland. Second one is known as a what, guys? On the basis of location, because of the gastric gland found in a wall of stomach. So this is what, guys? On the basis of location, if located toward the cardiac region of stomach, we can say cardiac gland, right? Now second, if located where, guys? Located pyloric, so what we can say? This is known as a pyloric gland will be there. And the last most important third one is known as a what? This is called the fundus. So this is known as a fundic gland will be there. What we can say? Fundic gland will be there. So there are 3 type of gland on the basis of what? On the basis of the location. Now cardiac gland is what, guys? Actually this cardiac gland secretes what, guys? It secretes the mucus will be there. This pyloric gland is what, guys? This pyloric gland secrete mucus plus what, guys? Plus gastric hormone. What, guys? Plus gastric hormone. This is one of the most important point. And the last most important, that is called the fundic gland. Actually this fundic gland secrete what, guys? This fundic gland secrete pepsinogen plus what, guys? Plus HCl will be there. Is that clear or not? Fundic gland what secrete? Pepsinogen and HCl, and this fundic gland contain what, guys? It contain what, guys? It contain the number of cell will be there. Which type of the cell it contain, guys? So the first one cell is known as a what, guys? That is called the mucus cell. What they contain, guys? Mucus cell contain. Who contain? Fundic gland. What contain? Mucus cell. Guys, mucus cell contain, this mucus cell is what? It secrete what, guys? It secrete the mucus. It secrete what, guys? It secrete the mucus. Mucus cell secrete mucus. Second one is known as a what, guys? This is called the chief cell. Most important, guys, this is known as a chief cell will be there. So guys, this chief cell is what, guys? This chief cell is also known as a what, guys? It is also called, this chief cell also called peptic cell. What we can say? It is also known as a what, guys? This is called the peptic cell will be there, right? This peptic cell is also known as a what, guys? This is called the zymogen cell. What we can say, guys? This is called the zymogen cell. Now what is the role of the peptic cell or zymogen cell, guys? So this is chief cell or zymogen cell what secrete, guys? This chief cell or as well as what, guys? We can say zymogen cell. This zymogen cell secrete pepsinogen. What, guys? Pepsinogen plus what, guys? Prorenin. Pepsinogen as well as prorenin. Who secrete, guys? Chief cell or zymogen cell or peptic cell. And the last one is what, guys? I am writing here right now because no space is there, so I am writing here. So the third one is known as a what, guys? This is called the auxentic cell. What we can say? Auxentic cell, right? So auxentic cell is also known as a what, guys? This auxentic cell also known as also known as what guys, this is called the parietal cell. What we can say, this is called the parietal cell. And what is the role of oxyntic cell? This oxyntic cell secretes, it secretes HCl, hydrochloric acid. Is that clear or not? So normally stomach is what guys, esophagus open into stomach. Which part of stomach guys? Cardiac part of the stomach. Right now what present here? Cardiac sphincter. Now stomach have what guys? 4 part, that is called the fundus, cardiac, body main part, pyloric. Now pyloric part of the stomach open into where guys? Open into the intestine. Here what present guys? Pyloric sphincter. Now wall of cardiac, wall of stomach contain what guys? The wall of the stomach contain gastric gland. On the basis of location, gastric gland is a 3 type, that is called the pyloric gland, fundic gland and cardiac gland. Cardiac gland secrete mucus, pyloric gland secrete mucus as well as what guys? That is called the gastric hormone. Fundic gland is a main gland, it secrete what guys? Pepsinogen and HCl will be there. It contain the number of cell. The most important, that is called the chief cell, also known as a what? Zymogen cell, also called the peptic cell. It secretes the prorenin as well as what guys? Pepsinogen. Right now last one is known as a oxyntic cell, and this oxyntic cell is also called parietal cell, and it is responsible for the secretion of the HCl. So this is what guys, it is the information about of the stomach as well as what guys? Gastric gland. Right now in next lecture we will discuss about of the intestine and intestinal gland. So have a nice day guys, we will meet in the next video.